Salzburg is busy today, yet somehow very laid back. It's a sunny winter Saturday in late January, with a couple of degrees in the air and hardly any snow left on the ground. I'm starting this walk down by the Salzach River, where people are out enjoying the light and the open space. From here, I'll follow the river through the city, pass places closely connected to Mozart, walk toward the old castle, and then make my way back to the train station. The river has shaped Salzburg for centuries. Its name comes from the salt trade, which once made the city wealthy, as salt was floated down this river from the Alps toward Germany. Even today, the river still defines the city's layout, separating Old Town from newer districts and giving Salzburg its open, airy feel. Salzburg has around 150,000 residents, but on weekends the city often feels larger, as locals and visitors mix easily. Saturdays like this are about being outside, meeting friends, and enjoying the city at a slower pace. Even with busy streets, the atmosphere stays relaxed and social rather than rushed. Nearby is Getreidegasse, where Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart was born in 1756. His family lived in a modest apartment above the street, long before he became famous across Europe. Today, this area is one of Salzburg's busiest streets, blending everyday shopping with one of the city's most important historical landmarks. Salzburg Fortress was built in the late 11th century and sits high above the old town. For hundreds of years, it protected the powerful prince-archbishops who ruled Salzburg. From almost anywhere in the city, the fortress remains a reminder of Salzburg's long political and religious history. Salzburg's historic center is compact, which makes walks like this easy to adapt. I don't have enough time to walk through the whole city this time, but I know this is not my last visit here. The Mozarteum University was founded in the 19th century and is one of the world's leading music institutions. Students come here from all over the world to study classical music, composition, and performance. It's a place where Salzburg's musical past and present meet every day. Back at the station, the walk comes to an end. Salzburg in winter, lively, relaxed, and easy to enjoy on foot. Don't forget to subscribe if you like my videos.